Hi, fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, I'm the owner of this video account, and I would like to introduce myself to those who don't know me. By the way, I am a former depositor of Bangko Pilipino Dumaguete branch. By the way, this video is just only to refresh our memories in the past before the second closure of Bangko Pilipino. The topic is about savings passbook with ATM, which is their products in Bangko Pilipino that time. By the way, there are so many categories in their savings passbook items. First is the savings passbook with ATM. During that time, the second opening, the price was only 500 pesos that time. Then the service charge was just only 25 pesos. Then by year 2000, it became 50 pesos a month. So that's it. Then by the year 2001, it became 1,000. So it became times 2 because it was growing already that time. Then by 2002, we were not totally alarmed, but it was something's not necessarily something's going on. It became 2,000 pesos. So it nag times 2. Then what I did that time is nagsulat ako sa Bangko Pilipino to the main office. So nakiusap ako that time na kung pwede from 2,000 gawin na lang 1,000 ibalik kasi syempre mabigat na 2,000 pesos that time. Then suddenly 6 months later yata, going 1 year, when I already graduated college, bumalik sa 1,000 pero may kapalit. Na-phase out yung passbook with ATM. So, anong nangyari, nag-split ang passbook tsaka ATM that time. So, nag-roll back siya from 2,000 to 1,000. Tapos yung ATM, from 1,000 to 500, nag-roll back. Pero yung charge that time was 50 pesos that time. Tapos, okay, yung sa mga sari-sari store owners, groceries, at saka yung mga small and medium enterprise, natanda nyo yung, wala pa yung paycheck, yung automatic transfer, yung passbook at saka yung check, isasabay, halimbawa, may clearing, automatic transfer, yung checking inward clearing, i-debit sa passbook. Yan ang tinatawag na automatic transfer arrangement or ATA that time. Kung di ako magkakamali, ang presyo was 20,000 tapos 2,000 maintaining sa check that time. So, ayun. Yun ang system nila sa savings account that time. Okay, so yun na po ang products nila. Tapos yung before closure ng 2011, it big kuan yata 50 pesos per month, hindi pa siya umabot ng 100. Yung 100, yan na yung paycheck. If you fall below maintaining balance. Per month, per month. So, yan na po. By the way, I would like to inform all viewers na hindi to umabot ng 8 minutes and beyond. So, this is 8 minutes below. Thank you for listening in this video. You can don't forget to click the subscribe and click the notification bell for my next Bangko Filipino related videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.